Yeah?
Yeah, cool.
All right, cool. All right, hi everyone, my name's Christy, and I took the lead on the front-end development, the design of the UI, and the overall user experience of our web app. Prior to bootcamp, I am a recent grad from SFU, and I majored in interactive arts and technology and worked mainly in event planning and communications.
Hi folks, my name's Jordan. I was in charge of the backend and its integration. I implemented much of the functionality and interactivity of the app using React with a Node.Express server and PSQL. So I joined the bootcamp after working locally as tech support for a software company, and I'm proud to say this app represents the culmination of several months intensive study at Lighthouse Labs.
Hey everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm a communications graduate with experience as an assistant art director in Bollywood. On this project, I took the lead on developing the database, creating all the necessary queries, and building the information architecture of our app. I also worked alongside Christy on developing the front end.
So nearly a month ago, the Vancouver Aquarium decided to shutter its doors due to the complications brought about by COVID-19. We're proposing a web app that collects donations to sponsor the rehabilitation of mammals under the care of the Marine Mammal Rescue Center, or MMR for short. Users can adopt a seal and be invited to journey along with their seal's road to recovery.
Although our idea is not new, and Vancouver Aquarium and Marine Mammal Rescue already do this kind of fundraising, we wanted to take the skills we learned from bootcamp and apply them to solve a local issue that we all cared about, specifically by tailoring the sponsor's experience to allow better tracking and interaction with the animal's journey.
So once again, here's a quick breakdown of our stack. As you can see, we use React.Js as the main driver for our front-end code, and we decided to use Google's Material UI Kit as a starter for building out our components. For the backend, Node and Express work together to drive the flow and functionality of our app.
All right, and without further ado, let's dive into the live walkthrough of our app. Screen over here, very nice. All right, so right now I'm on the home page of MMR's newest initiative called Save Our Seals, or SOS. So right now I want to see the latest seals that have been admitted into MMR, and it looks like these are the latest two, Boris and Mimi. Scrolling a bit further, I can see a short description about what MMR does, as well as a link to the tracker map and a link to their social media handles. Scrolling back up to the top, I noticed that there was a See All Patients button, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And looking at the toggle, it looks like it's showing the unsponsored mammals currently in MMR. Super cute. Scrolling back to the top, I'm going to go ahead and untoggle that to take a look at a list of all of the seals currently at MMR. So there was a super cute seal that caught my eye on the homepage, so I'll just go back there, and his name is Boris. I'm going to go click on Boris's card. And scrolling a bit further, it looks like his content is currently locked because I'm not sponsoring him at the moment, but let's fix that. And oh no, looks like I forgot to log in. Silly me. Let's seal up that problem right now. And I'm a returning sponsor, so I'm going to go ahead and log right in. Thank you, Google Chrome, for saving my email. I'm going to type in my password and then just log in. And I'm going to pass it over to Jordan, who will walk us through the process of sponsoring a seal.
Thanks, Christy. So now that we're logged in and we're back on Boris's page, I can go ahead and click on that Sponsor Me button, and that'll take us through to the donation page. From here, we can see a variety of donation amounts. And if we choose 100, because Boris is such a worthy cause, we can scroll further down and we get some information on how the donation is going to be used. And also we have a choice to see if we want to make it as a gift or for myself. So this is going to be a gift for a dear friend of ours, Hafiz. If we scroll further down, we can enter his name on the certificate to customize that, and then click to confirm. So here we see the billing and shipping details, which have been auto-filled. And once we've checked over the details from the form, we can hit confirm, which will take us through to the personalized thank you page. It shows us the mammal we're sponsoring and also gives us options to go back to our list of sponsored animals or the tracking map. We're going to go back to our list of sponsored mammals. And from here, we can click on Boris to see his full profile, and I'll pass it over to Sarah to provide more details on the profiles and events.
Thanks, Jordan. So here, now that we've unlocked Boris's profile, we can scroll down to see that there's many more images in the images carousel. And scrolling further down, we see that Boris is featured in an upcoming event. So we can click on RSVP, and we discover that the event's actually happening now. So click on Join Event. That's a super cute video, but we're gonna close the stream. And then click on See You Later to go back to the home page. So clicking into the nav drawer, we can see that it has upcoming events. And when we click into that, we see a month view of all the events for the month. So I think there's a few in November as well. And clicking on the see event map right on the bottom, it takes us to all the locations of the events. So clicking back on our nav drawer again, you can click on my events. And this gives us the extensive list of all the events that we've signed up for. So that concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.